Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
What if I told you there's a single ancient movement, no weights, no fancy machines, no equipment at all, that could rebuild your leg strength, improve your posture, sharpen your balance, fire up your energy, and yes, even support your hormonal vitality and libido? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because it's very real. And the truth is, most people over 50 have never even heard of it. It's called the horse stance. Now, at first glance, it may look like just standing still. But don't be fooled. This posture has been practiced for centuries by martial artists, healers, monks, and athletes, not because of how it looks, but because of the powerful effects it has on the body and mind. Here's the surprising part. It only takes 2 minutes a day. You don't need a gym, a treadmill, or even a yoga mat. You can do it in your living room, your kitchen, or even next to your bed before sleep. No joint strain, no impact, no endless reps, just stillness, breath, and focus. But here's where it gets exciting. This simple stance doesn't just condition your muscles. It trains your mind, your nervous system, your circulation, and even your hormones. And the benefits? They go way beyond what most people expect. So in this video, I'll break down the top 10 reasons why the horse stance is a game changer, especially after age 50. And trust me, benefit number 7 is something almost no one talks about, but it could transform the way you move and feel. But first, before we dive in, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to see our growing community and where this message is reaching. 1. Real strength starts from the ground up after 50. Leg strength isn't just about looking toned. It's about function, standing up from a chair without needing your hands, walking upstairs without pain, carrying groceries without wobbling. The horse stance activates all the major lower body muscles, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves, at once, and it keeps them under continuous tension. Unlike fast-paced workouts that can pound your knees and hips, this stance builds deep strength gently, but effectively. And remember, your legs are your foundation. The stronger they are, the longer you stay independent and capable in daily life. Just 2 minutes a day can restore stability and power you didn't even realize you'd lost. 2. Core strength isn't abs. It's lifeline. Forget six-packs. After 50, your core is about stability. The horse stance quietly works your entire trunk, front abs, obliques, and deep back stabilizers. By forcing your body to stay upright without leaning or collapsing, it naturally builds endurance in the muscles that protect your spine and improve your posture. A strong core means less back pain, better balance, and easier everyday movements, from getting out of bed to driving comfortably. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, this is a functional, pain-free way to build lasting support. 3. Balance reboot. One of the first things we lose with age is balance. Sometimes without even noticing, until we stumble, grab a railing, or hesitate to step on uneven ground. The horse stance reactivates proprioception, your body's internal GPS. By holding the stance, your brain and muscles constantly adjust to keep you centered, recalibrating your balance system. Over time, this translates into more confidence, less fear of falling, and smoother movement in everything you do. 4. Pelvic circulation and vitality. Here's a topic few fitness channels dare to touch. Pelvic health. The horse stance stimulates blood flow in the hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen, areas often neglected in exercise. For men, this supports circulation, critical for performance and function. For women, it tones the pelvic floor, which helps with bladder control, stability, and sexual wellness. And because the stance promotes calm breathing and lowers stress hormones, many people also notice better sleep, improved mood, and an overall sense of vitality. 5. Mind over muscle. Most exercises challenge your body. The horse stance challenges your mind. After 30 seconds, your legs shake, your brain says, quit, and discomfort creeps in. But when you stay steady, breathe, and focus, you're building resilience. This mental strength carries over into life, whether it's handling stress, facing setbacks, or staying calm under pressure. Science shows that this kind of focused stillness lowers cortisol, builds emotional endurance, and trains your nervous system to stay grounded. It's more than exercise, it's mental armor. 6. Joint-friendly strength. Many people avoid exercise after 50 because of sore knees or stiff hips. But the horse stance is different. It strengthens joints through isometric loading, gentle, controlled tension that conditions tendons and ligaments without wear and tear. Over time, this improves mobility, reduces stiffness, and helps prevent injury. It's safe, sustainable, and effective, perfect for aging joints. 7. Unlock the hips. Unlock life. Tight hips are a hidden cause of back pain, poor posture, and reduced mobility. The horse stance gently opens the hips, stretches connective tissue, and restores flexibility, without extreme stretches or risky yoga poses. Better hip mobility means moving freely, standing taller, and reducing your risk of falls. When your hips unlock, your whole body feels lighter and more agile. 8. Natural hormone support. Hormonal shifts after 50 affect mood, energy, and vitality. The horse stance naturally stimulates healthy hormone balance by reducing cortisol and boosting testosterone and endorphins. That means more energy, better mood, and sharper focus, all from just a couple of minutes a day. No pills, no supplements, just your own body, reactivated. 9. Total body activation. Even though it looks still, the horse stance lights up nearly every muscle in your body. Your legs hold you, your core stabilizes, your back stays strong, and even your arms engage subtly. This is full body strength, without repetitive motion, without stress on joints, and without fancy machines. It's functional, natural, and effective. 10. Your own personal gym. Let's face it, most people over 50 don't love crowded gyms or complicated routines. The horse stance eliminates all excuses. No equipment, no membership, no noise. You can do it anytime, anywhere, in your bedroom, on vacation, even while waiting for coffee to brew. Just 2 minutes a day builds consistency, and consistency is what transforms health after 50. How to do it safely. Start with feet together. Step out wide, about double shoulder width. Toes slightly outward. Lower hips as if sitting on an invisible stool. Keep chest lifted, back straight, knees tracking over toes. Eyes forward, chin level. Breathe slowly, hold 30 seconds, then work toward 2 minutes. Who should avoid it? If you've had recent joint surgery, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or severe balance issues, consult your doctor before starting. The power of stillness in a world that constantly demands more. Move faster, do more, push harder. The horse stance gives you something different, stillness with strength. This isn't about showing off. It's about staying strong, balanced, and independent for decades to come. Just 2 minutes a day can rebuild your body, rewire your mind, and restore your confidence. So the question is, will you take the stance? Stand tall, ground yourself, and discover just how much power your body still holds.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.